Hi Brittany, let's look at this problem that you sent me. The time required for an automotive center to complete an oil change service on an automobile is approximately, follows a normal distribution with a mean of 19 minutes and a standard deviation of 4 minutes. All right, let's see. Okay, cool. The automotive center guarantees customers that the service will take no longer than 20 minutes. So no longer than 20 minutes is x is less than or equal to 20. Okay? Alright. If it does take longer, the customer will receive the service for half price. What percent of customers receive the service for half price? So the people who receive the service for half price is for those where the service takes more than 20 minutes. So this is like regular price. If it takes less than 20 minutes, if it takes more than 20 minutes, it's going to be half price. Okay, that makes sense, right? All right, so what percent of customers? All right, so let's do it by hand, and then I'll show you how to do a stat crunch. So by hand, we have the normal distribution, and we have the mean is 19, and the standard deviation is 4. So we want to find the z-score for 20. Okay, so 20 is, x is 20 is over here. We want to find the z-score for that. So 20 minus 19 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. Okay, so this is the z-score. All right, but that's not the answer. We need to find the percent, okay? And in particular, we need to find the percent who get half price. So it's going to be the percent who it's more than 20 minutes. All right. So the table, if we look at the z-score table, the table is going to give us this probability over here. This is from the table. So to find the probability that we need more than 20, we need to do 1 minus what the table gives us. All right, so let's look up the z-score of 0.25 in the table. Let me find the table of values. Let's see, z-scores. There's a table over here. All right, so we need 0.25. 0.25, so we have 0.2. Now we need 0.2. And follow this row along, and 0.25 is 0.5987. .5987. The table gives you the area to the lower, to the left of the z-score. So the answer that we want is the area to the right, so we need 1 minus 0.5987. So this is going to be 0.4013, which if you change it to a percentage, multiply by 100 to change it to a percentage, is 40.13%. Okay, so that's how they got that answer. All right, let me show you how to do a stat crunch, because it's always worth knowing. All right, so to get the stat crunch from Canvas, go to Modules, scroll, 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 scroll until you think scrolling is not going to end. There you go. So it's not the last module, but the one before the last. MyLab statistics links, and you click on the one that says MyLab Stat Crunch. open, click on here, StatCrunch website, and then open it. All right, so here's what we want. We want stat calculators normal, okay? Because we're doing a calculation with a normal distribution. All right, we want to put the mean and the standard deviation that were given in the problem. So 19 and 4. We want to choose the right sign here. You have less than or bigger than. So because we're looking for the percentage of people where the time was more than 20 minutes, we want x is bigger than 20. Then compute. So this gives me 0.0129 or 0.013. You can write it, round it to 0.013 to 4 decimal places. And this is what we got here, 0.013. Okay? So StatCrunch takes seconds to do instead of having to look at the tables. Go with what you're comfortable with, but I recommend that you start using StatCrunch a little bit because it saves you a lot of time, and you can use it during quizzes and homeworks and tests. So it will save you a lot of time. All right, that's it for me.